Planning to capture those epic Bali views from above? Before you take off, there are a few rules you need to know to avoid a massive fine. Bali is incredibly drone friendly, but 2026 has brought some specific updates for tourists. First, the basics. If your drone is under 2 kg, you're flying for fun. You don't need a license, just keep the drone under 150 meters. The biggest trap? The airport. You must stay at least 15 kilometers away from Ngurah Rai International. This covers most of Jimbaran and parts of Kuta. Never fly your drone over a temple. It is considered highly disrespectful and it can lead to your drone being confiscated on the spot. Always fly your drone in the daylight hours and keep the drone in line of sight. Also watch out for the local kites. They can be everywhere and they can take a drone down real fast. Always ask your villa or the resort for permission. They're typically really cool with it. However, of course, respect goes a long way. As always, fly safe, respect the culture, and you'll get the best footage of your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.